Hey there, it's Jimmy again, and here we have a little extra bonus episode of the Jimmy the Junkyard Dog is my junkyard finds. So first though, if you like what you've been watching, please do subscribe, hit the notify button so you'll be notified if something new pops up, and hit the like button if you like what you see. But let's check this out. This one, what's different about this one is it's not a big deal. It's just a 91 Subaru wagon, one of the last ones of this series. But this one's interesting because of the junkyard, the homebrew repair job that somebody did on this thing. So let's take a look at this thing, because this is this is crazy. It looks like this Subaru was hit in the left rear, obviously, which kind of compacted the quarter panel, which would have this is pretty much totaled. But somebody decided to fix it or weatherproof it by putting a ton of spray foam in. So there's spray foam all the way from the top to the bottom of the D-pillar there. And it gets better though. Look at this. Someone decided to fix the rear light by making a new rear light enclosure out of a cardboard box or corrugated cardboard tray of some sort. There's the light. Here's the wiring. Somehow he had the light attached, probably with just more spray foam, which is, I mean, it's just crazy. So basically he took away all the utility of a station wagon, because if you open this, oh yeah, it is spray foamed everywhere. I mean, it's, you know, even on the shock, which is the original Subaru shock, goes all the way here, all the way there, and then all the way around. So everywhere that water was probably getting in, this person decided to spray foam it. So pretty crazy stuff. And let's just take a look at the rest of this. This is a 91 Subaru all-wheel drive, a four-wheel drive wagon. Very common out here in Colorado. Like I said, 91. These were nice. I mean, they started building these, back in 85? So let's look at this. So the hood is over here. So someone took the hood off in the junkyard. I guess someone pulled the engine, which is fine. It was a flat 4, not super powerful, but got the job done. And usually people will pull an engine and then take it away and pay for it. The person in the junkyard, for whatever reason, decided to stick the engine in the passenger seat. So I guess it's here for safekeeping. I don't know. Maybe they'll come back and get it at a later date. Kind of odd, but you know, what can you do? This Subaru didn't look too bad on the inside, actually. Let's actually go around to the driver's side. I like the fabric. It's sort of like the Toyota Camry, the same era, had this similar kind of burlappy type thick fabric that wore extremely well. So let's what's in the back seat? Let's take a look there. There's the hubcaps. These last couple of years of this generation got these Subaru hubcaps that look a lot like the Renault wheels that Audi had back in the 80s. And there's the view to the back with the spare tire. Interesting. Let's go around to the driver's side. I wonder how many miles are on this thing. Because, I mean, God, it's a 91, so it's, 30 years old. Manual transmission with the four-wheel drive knob. So you just kind of hit that to engage the four-wheel drive. It stays depressed, which is neat. And let's look. Full instrumentation. That's nice. And only 120,447 miles. So this was quite young when it got hit and repaired, and then eventually made it to the junkyard. And I gotta think, I don't know why it's in the junkyard. I mean, it's probably due to the repair in the back, but maybe it's not. Maybe something went wrong with the engine, and so they brought it here. Then someone took the engine out and stuck it in there for safekeeping. I have no idea. Who knows? You never really know. But that is basically, let's see, anything interesting? No, I got oil change. Oil change stickers from 1992 with 50 or 30,000 miles on it. And here's the plate tag, built in November 1990, made in Japan. Nice. I do like the, you know, these, how you have the buttons up here on the side of the binnacle. Just defroster here. Over here is all the HVAC stuff. Cold to hot, heat, bi-level, so on and so forth, and the fan speed. leaving the center console really for just the radio and the ashtray. Mirror controls rear wiper. It's nice. A blank over here. Air conditioning or vent. And I assume air conditioning just means that the outside vents are closed. It's kind of recirc. And these motorized seatbelt things that ran around here that we in the US were cursed with for a few years. But yeah, not a bad looking car, not terrible, except for, you know, the homebrew repair job on the back. So I don't know, there's some crazy stuff in the junkyard, but this is one of the crazier repair jobs. Anyway, thanks a lot, and we'll do something else soon. Again, if you liked what you saw, please do hit subscribe. And hey, if you're on a forum or something, please repost this there. Let's get the word out. Get more people looking at my videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.